Hey everyone, this is Chris from Benedetto Racing. So today I'm going to show you how to resurface rotors using the flex hone for rotors. So you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need a flex hone, you're going to need some brake clean, and a drill, and obviously a rotor. So the reason I'm resurfacing these is because I am going to be changing pad material, but you can kind of see, I don't know if you can really tell some of the glazing that's taken place. The pad's kind of smeared at the last track I was at, and I'm going to resurface these. Has some surface cracks as well, so hopefully we'll take care of them from heat. But mainly it's the shaking during hard braking that we want to get rid of, so we're going to resurface the rotors. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to put the rotors on boxes, get away from some things because there's going to be some stuff flying. Please use safety glasses for this. There's going to be a bunch of stuff flying off. And what it says is to use the flex hone and go back and forth in sweeping motions at a slight angle. All across the rotor. It actually says to use this in a lathe. I don't have a lathe at home, and I'm sure a lot of people watching this video won't have a lathe either, so I'm gonna give it a shot, and then we'll see what happens. So you can definitely see the difference in the rotor surface from one to the other, but we won't know until we get in and ride. It doesn't take much off. Basically, it's just going to take the brake pad layer off, which is what we want, because that's actually where most warping, quote unquote, comes from. It's actually not the rotor getting too hot to warp. It's actually brake pad material transferring to the rotor in an uneven way. So most people will swap the rotors. You can also get them turned at a machine shop. Any good machine shop can do that. But we're going to try this out just to resurface it before we change the brake pad material. Alright? Okay, so what I did was basically I went around in a circular motion around the rotor, starting from the inside, working my way to the outside, all the way around. As you can see, it took most, or actually all of the glazing. It started to rain on me, so that's why they may be a little rusted already. So yeah, it did a pretty decent job of resurfacing. Only the bed-in process will tell, but I'm gonna go do that now, and hope the flex hone can save you some money on some rotors. Yeah. Alright, so the flex hone did pretty decent. Everything works pretty well after the resurfacing, so I'll continue to do that. It is only going to take the brake pad layer off. It does not do too well on resurfacing for cracks. It doesn't take too much metal off. So yeah, I'm going to continue to use the flex hone for rotors. Thanks.
Thanks for watching CB Racing. Click that bell down below and subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Bye!